Good day, I am Roshan Leo Mopa, PSN1 11K Group 55, and I will be performing the assessment of the eyes. And before that, I will be checking the medical records of the patient if it is available. Then after that is I have already gathered the all equipment for me to use throughout the assessment. Then we'll be doing the hand washing for 40 seconds or 60 seconds for doing the hand hygiene. So, good morning, sir. I am Roshan Leon Mumba, and I will be your attending student nurse for today, sir. And may I know what is your name po, sir?
John Rafael Lee.
Okay, John Rafael. Then, may I know your birthday po, sir?
July 15, 2007.
Thank you, sir. What do you prefer for me to call you, sir?
John.
Okay, Sir John. So, Sir John, this procedure for Sir John is to assess your eyes if there is any abnormalities po, sir. Then you can help me to do this assessment by answering any questions that I will be asking you and doing whatever I will be doing test for you. So is there any question, clarification, sir? So is your seat comfortable? Are you comfortable there, sir? Is the temperature okay? I will be closing the curtains, sir, for our privacy. And rest assured po, sir, that the data that will be collected here po, sir, will be hidden. It will be confidentiality, and you and me and the attending physician that I will be referring to is the only one who will know the data po, sir. So let us start for the assessment po, sir. First is the assessing the visual acuity po, sir. So can you stand po, sir? First, sir, is can you cover your left eye po, sir? And then read the Snellen chart po, sir. Okay, so 20 over 20 po, sir, sa right. Next po, sir, is sa left naman po, sir. Read it again, sir. Okay, for the left eye po, sir, is 20 over 20, sir. Now, sir, for the both of your eyes po, sir, can you read it again? Okay po, sir. So, 20 over 20 po, sir, for both of your eyes. Then, can you tell me po, sir, what color is this? And what color is this? Okay, this normal. But you can sit back po, sir. So, next po, sir, is we'll be testing for visual fields. So, can you cover your right eye po, sir, with your hand? Then, follow the light and tell me where is the light if you see it.
Upper right. Lower right. Middle right. Middle.
Okay po, sir, thank you po. Normal po ang visual fields po, normal. Next will be visual inspection of the eyes. For this control, sir, I will be performing hand washing again, and I will be doing hand hygiene. Then I will be putting on some gloves to So, first that I will be testing in your eyes pulsar is the position of the eyes, if it is symmetric and properly aligned pulsar. Look straight in my eyes pulsar. Okay, it is symmetric and properly aligned po. I will be, next will be the eyebrows, if it is distributed properly. Okay, can you raise your eyebrows closer? Okay, next you can lower it back, sir. Okay, so for the eyebrows it is normal po. So next is the lashes, for if it is curved outward or inward. Next po. Okay, it is curved outward po. Then next is I will be checking your eyelids po. Can you please complete your eyes po? Then open it po, sir. So there is no redness or tremors po in your eyelids po, sir. The next is will be the lacrimal gland and the sac area, if it is swelling or not. So first is the it is normal. Next it will be the sclera, the bulbar conjunctiva and the pulvaral conjunctiva. The bulbar conjunctiva will be for you to know, the sclera is the white area of our eyes po, sir. So the conjunctiva po, sir, is on the upper right, and then the palpebral conjunctiva po, sir, is in the lower. So let me check po, sir. Can you look down po, sir? Okay, it's normal. Look upward. Okay, it is normal. So your sclera po, sir, is normal po, sir. Next will be the iris, the color and the shape. I will be assessing it. Can you look here? It is perfectly circle and the color is okay po. It is normal. The color is normal po, sir. So it is normal. The iris is normal. Next is I will be checking for your cornea and lens, if it is not clouding or it is equal size. Okay, it is normal po, sir. It is not clouding. Next will be assessing the direct and consensual papillary reaction to light. So can you so I will be checking if your eyes will constrict or dilate if it is dark. Okay, it is normal. Next will be the assessing the accommodation. Can you look po, sir, at the pen? I'll be just look at the pen po, sir. Yes, it is properly accommodating. The eyes is converging. It is normal. Next is will be the Hirschberg test. The Hirschberg test is if the two eyes has reflection when I put the pen light on your eyes. Okay, there is. Okay, it is normal posture. Normal. Next will be the performing the cardinal fields of base and taste test. So whenever I just follow my hand with your eyes closer, not your head. Okay, just closer. Okay, it is normal. Next will be testing the convergence closer. Just follow my hands closer. Again. Okay. So it is normal closer. Okay. So that po, sir. To conclude po, sir, overall po, yung IC po ay normal po, sir. There is no any abnormalities and there is no complication po, sir. So, we're done here po, sir. Is there any clarification or question po, sir?